What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
My daughter got frustrated and guess she slammed my phone down. She was playing around, playing the game or whatever, and just destroyed.
Oh my gosh. Everything is
all
broken.
bad.
Yeah. I see it. So you're trying to get the same color?
Yeah, same color. You could do something?
Don't worry. I got you.
Got it.
What's going on? Somebody was here before. Surgery time. Time to put everything back to new housing. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at this now.
Alright.
Now looks brand new. Everything is working fine.
Definitely.
And it's good to go.
Well, that's smooth. It's good. Hopefully I don't have to come back.
I hope to see you.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder.